This is a verse, this is interesting purport in relation to Guru. This is Nikunja Yuno Ratike Li Siddhai Ya Ya Livir Yuktir Apekshaniya. Vishnas, this is a Guruvastakam number 6. Translation: Shri Gurudev is always present with the Sakis and Manjaris, arranging for the perfection of Yugal Kishore's amorous pastimes, Ratikeli, within the kunjas of Braj. So now Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, he makes a comment on this. Can one worship Krishna without being under the guidance of Sri Guru? Never. Only by getting the favor of the most favored is it possible to cultivate Krishna consciousness. When one is not under the guidance of the most favored, one will not find anything favorable for the cultivation of Krishna consciousness or for the pursuit of Krishna's happiness. Our only aim in life is to cultivate Krishna bhakti. This can only be done under the guidance or instruction of a pure devotee. Sri Barshabhanavi Devi, Srimati Radhika, it's very interesting who's speaking this. This is Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati's Diksha name from Gaura Kishore Das Babaji was Barshabhanavi Devi Dayitya Das. So the servant of the beloved of Barshabhanavi Devi. So basically it's the name of Krishna. Because the beloved of Barshabhanavi Devi is Krishna, because Barshabhanavi Devi is Radharani. But it's he's a servant of Krishna, serving Krishna through Radharani. Very beautiful name, Barshabhanavi. Because Barshabhanavi means the daughter of Vrishabhanu. So he's saying here in his own words, Siddhanta Saraswati, Shri Barshabhanavi Devi, Srimati Radhika, is most favored by Krishna. Worshipping her is most favorable for worshipping Krishna. No one is more favorable than Sri Radha. Those who are very dear to Srimati Radharani are all our spiritual masters in the Rupanuga line. We, the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, are more on the side of Radharani than on the side of Krishna. Indeed, Sri Gurudev is non-different representative of Srimati Radhika.